Hindi ka dito umikot.
Oo nga. Hindi mo pala. Isa pa
Dito na lang sa may bus.
baba. Hold on. Oo. Bakit ang ito para sa akin? Kaya
Oh, you got sunglasses.
let's go. Going up. Going. Oh, let's go. Say hi. Hi. Oh yeah, just a banana over there. want this?
I want this one.
This one yours? Okay, let's go. Kaya naman. Pay.
Which one did you get? Bulbasaur?
Yeah, this one.
Frog?
I want something like that. Oh, there's
You are enjoying this amazing bird's eye
Wow.
Lego.
You go there. And then take a picture.
Hey, sit down first. Wow, say hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. Jen, say hi. Eat ice cream.
Tapos i-video natin dito. Mamaya natin buksan ito. Tapos i-stand natin dito.
This is yummy. It's a slide water park. And I found a water park. And I found a water park. Here, eat it. Something. There's jelly inside. There's jelly inside. Eat it. There's some jelly. There's jelly. Oh, you want to eat it? Okay, eat it. And then you will find the jelly, okay? Mom, can I open my Pokemon? I hear ice cream tastes delicious here. I accidentally. Can you help me, Mommy? I needed the box. Okay.
Okay, later na lang.
Here.
Yeah.
Can you put your
Wow.
instructions in
Ito
the
na
box?
tayo.
Can you put the instructions in the box?
Hmm.
Can you put the instructions inside the box? What's the name of this? Peptoli?
Oh, ganito siya gano'n.
How is he look? What is his name, Mommy?
Bulbasaur. Mini Bulbasaur.
Kabahin na lang ha.
Bulbasaur, I choose you.
Kay
Say
Jen.
Charmander, I choose you. Like that. Say it. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Here let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. You say Charmander, okay? What's the name of this again? Charmander, I choose you. Jared, eat the strawberry. It's so yummy. Eat it.
Lumot na siya to. Ay, nasa
Yummy?
station.
Hey, Jared got a mushroom stash.
Oh, we're ready.
Hey, na-arrive in Sentosa Station! Come on, guys.
Can we open the Legos when we arrive? When we already arrived, guys? See you next time, guys. We are already here in the station. Bye. There's a Pokemon here if you want to buy.
here, Daddy.
Oo. Ika, pwede na kumain dito ah. Pag-try na.
Wait na, meron pa doon. Wow! Oh, ang cute ni Pikachu!
Yeah.
Oo nga, no. Marami pa pala. It's okay, you already have.
Already ah. Let's go, let's go.
Eat na tayo, eat. Go for it. Oops, be careful, ate. Hello. Yeah, yeah. No, panda.
You want to eat here? Ano? Kumain tayo ulit doon. Para mas ulit.
Kaya nga.
Wait.
Oh, it's a real snake.
Yes.
Real snake.
Real snake oh ate. Oh, real snake.
Daddy, hug mo na si Jajan.
Look ate dyan, look. A real snake. Let's go.
Real snake.
Gonna bite us?
Let's go, let's go.
It's gonna bite us!
No, it's not. Anong tawag doon, Daddy? Sawa? Hindi na agad, di ba? Nanlilipit.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Ganun mo na muna yun. Okay. Thank you.
Apat na tayo.
Go, go, go. Oh, next one. Ate, come here. Oh, mami. Yan mo to. Ah. Ate, can you hold? Please. John, can you hold? Thank you.
Mabilis ko.
Daddy, can you do this one again?
Ay, ang lamig.
Ate, look.
Look, ate. We're going up.
It's so high!
Daddy, picture mo siya, oh. Oh, sarap na.
Happy 7th anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. I love you. Mwah.
Look at the...
Happy 7th anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. I love you. Mwah.
Daddy, ina mo na yung car mo.
Wow, my God. My God.
Oh my God.
Yes, I have car. We can ride here. Yan, car. You like that? Wow, love you. I love you, Yan. I love you. Sorry. Okay, sa daddy. Kiss na si daddy.
Laban, Daddy.
Wow. We have car. Jan's car. You love car? Apa? Want to open? Okay. Thank you, mommy. Dito na tayo, Mi.
I think so. Merlion na ba? Ano ba nakalagay? Dito sa Merlion Park tayo. Station. Station. Hi, Barbie.
Or in Loso Station.
Uh-oh. And here's the Barbie can.
No.
No, mommy.
No,
Robot.
Say,
You're robot.
Robot.
Wow.
Okay.
Hello.
Wow.
going
Here,
fast.
here, here.
Daddy, you're Ken. Daddy.
Hi.
Daddy, you're Ken because Barbie's in love with Ken.
Yeah.
I
Wow.
don't know the spelling of Ken. Maybe for now I'll call Ken for K-E-N. Is that the spelling of Ken?
Daddy, kung gusto mo dyan sa beach.
Oh,
Ito yung siloso.
Also,
Pwede daw maligo dyan eh. Free yan.
Okay.
Parang ano. Ayun.
Dapat na ako dyan.
Pumunta ka na dyan.
Nagano lang ako. May ano pa dyan, may Palawan.
sa Philippines na daw tayo
Wow.
magligo.
Init.
Philippines tayo magligo doon. I want to ligo sa Philippines namin. Hindi ko maligo doon.
Ah.
Daddy, gusto mo ko maligo doon?
Gusto ko maligo na. Ganun na lang ikaw. Maligo.
Iwan ka namin dyan, di ba?
Ganun ka na lang.
No. Daddy, why there's a blue light?
Wow, so many boats.
Daddy, why there's a blue light?
Diyan mo lahat i-release ng stress mo. Diyos ko po, nagalambitin. Nagtutulak ka.
I love you, Papa Jesus.
Wala ko pa Jesus. Scary.
No, I won't try that.
Yeah, me too.
Let's not forget, it's only for grown-ups, even though for my daddy.
Me, I don't want also.
You want Daddy to try it?
No. Mommy.
No. I will be on my... Hey, there you go.
Hey.
Daddy.
And you bought it to my creation.
Bali tayo ay galing sa Mount Haberline. Ang ganda sa ito. Halay. Happy Daddy.
Okay.
Okay, then. Yeah, your car.
Let's get off.
Oh, thank you,
Daddy.
Jojo.
Go, let's get off.
No, not here.
Diba sa Haberline?
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no, I'm hungry. Thirsty.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm hungry. This is so refreshing.
Mm.
Mendoza.
Reliance Station.
No, it's Mendoza Station from your station. It's Mommy's station. Mendoza.
Go, go.
Bunalilin. Bunalilin.
Go, ate.